Alright, for this protruded rosette painting on panel, we are going to use a palette knife to make this wonderful pasty background. And sometimes people wonder how I get my colors, and sometimes I just use colors that look good on the shelf or that are sitting next to each other. So I've been wanting to try these two colors for a while, this pasty blue and a really pretty Pepto-Bismol pink. So let's see what we can make here. Now this is just plain paint color. Oh wow, look how those blend. Got a little thing that's sticking there. I wanted to see just what it would look like flat like that. And I'm going to stick with an all similar motion here, going one way. I really like this. Now I've put no gel in this because I wanted a really flat, pasty kind of look that's blended. And you'll see how you can get some really neat looks without having to have a lot of control, like with a brush. Some people have a really hard time with a palette knife because they can't get it to work, but how it works is by just letting the palette knife do its thing, which, you know, it kind of flattens. That's its thing that it does. Wow, look at that blue. That's just so rich. So as you can see, when I lift up, that makes this mark, and I think that would look good for an avant-garde painting, but I want to make this really smooth. Kind of dreamy-like. So just using the two colors has made a third. You see here we're blending the blue and the pink. That makes the purple. You can leave it textured if you want. Where's my white? You could also add in a little bit of white to blend. I'll try it. I don't know what it will look like, but let's see. Where should I use it? It's kind of pretty. Try not to blend too much. If you overblend, it loses its artisticness. I should really quit sometime really soon here. See here, look at, just try different techniques like blending with a knife like that. Oh, look at that plum we got. Really pretty. Use that same color here. So it looks good to get a base down and then do your artistic stroke over that. So you want to see color, but then you want to see the style on top of that. So come back in with your artistic stroke. So that looks kind of pretty. And you just do the same, all the other sides. I'm adding in the grass, and I'm using this palette knife with flat paint, no gel mixed in. The palette knife is good because it gives this messy look, and messy kind of looks artistic.